The Esplanade was originally dedicated as the Boston Embankment in 1910. The embankment was created as part of the construction of the 1910 Charles River Dam Bridge, today the site of the Museum of Science. The parkland was criticized for its lack of shade trees, refreshment stands, recreation facilities, transportation utility, and visitors. It extended to Charlesgate, upstream of the Harvard Bridge, and connected with Frederick Law Olmsted's Emerald Necklace system of parks and open spaces. To address criticism, trees, a refreshment pavilion, and concerts were brought to the park. The Esplanade went through a major expansion from 1928 to 1936, widening and lengthening the parkland. These improvements were aided by a $1 million donation from Helen Osborne Starrow, in memory of her husband James. The Starrow Memorial Embankment, designed by Arthur Shercliffe, added the first lagoon, boat landings, plazas, playgrounds, and the music oval, where a temporary bandshell was placed. The summer of 1929 was the first year Arthur Fiedler and the Boston Pops performed on the Esplanade.